What new developments have been implemented with Sandvik Mining's aftermarket services?
In the Northern Cape, we've got a huge installation base of machines. And because it's such an arduous environment, we have to support it with aftermarket service and repairs on it. For us, it's a three-phased approach. The first phase is a visual inspections and walkovers on the machines. So we look at the machine, look for obvious issues, obvious problems, and alert the client to that. Those inspections we do quarterly for the client. The second phase would be the actual physical audit. So we're looking at the power consumption, we're looking at hydraulic pressures to determine if there's anything specifically wrong and to be more predictive to pick up any issues that may arise in the future. And the last phase is phase 3 is actually the design assessments and enhancements. Our machines are designed in Europe, and the designs are very good for all the applications we use them in, but each client has got a specific application and a duty cycle, and to complete the loop, we actually look at the machine to see what can we enhance, what can we optimize to increase the performance, to increase the life cycle, looking at the lining materials, doing finite element analysis on the machine, to predict failure to prevent it from happening. So and by doing that, we can actually close the loop on what was designed and up to getting the client to have an optimal machine.
And what is the demand like for this service across Africa?
There's quite a good demand. We've got several tenders into the market with clients. They all see the benefit of it, and they're trying to justify getting us on board to doing the work for them.
Could you also discuss new projects that you've brought on board for 2013?
At the end of 2012, in December, we actually got a huge order in the coal sector. We're very excited about that project. It's a steep incline conveyor feeding a 15,000-ton surface bunker. And then it goes on to a 21-kilometer overland conveyor. This is one of the longest overland conveyors in the world. It's a curved overland conveyor. It doesn't have intermediate drive stations. And the huge benefit of that is you don't have to have maintenance in the middle of nowhere. You don't have inspections. You don't have to relay power there. You don't have material degradation because of an additional transfer point. So the benefit to the client is also huge. We're using international references to supplement our local skills to ensure that we have the best solution in the world for our local clients.